Let's dive into the fascinating world of verbs, specifically regular and irregular verbs. Understanding these two categories is essential for mastering English grammar, so let's break it down. First, let's talk about regular verbs. A regular verb is one that follows a predictable pattern when forming its simple past and past participle. Essentially, you just add IED to the base form. For example, take the verb walk. In the simple past, it becomes walked, and the past participle is also walked. Easy, right? Let's look at a few more examples. The verb start becomes started. You can say, Paula started to cook, or I had just started to study when my neighbor called. Notice how both the simple past and past participle are the same. Then there's talk, which becomes talked. You might say, we talked about our plans last night. And don't forget want, which transforms into wanted. For instance, I wanted to go to the concert, but I had to work. Now, while most regular verbs follow this ed rule, there are some exceptions based on the verb's ending. For example, if a verb ends in y preceded by a consonant, you change the y to I before adding am, so hurry becomes hurried. Now, let's shift gears and explore irregular verbs. Unlike regular verbs, irregular verbs don't follow a consistent pattern. Their simple past and past participles can vary widely, making them a bit trickier to master. For instance, the verb go becomes went in the simple past, and its past participle is gone. You might say, I went to the store yesterday, and I have gone there many times. Another example is the verb see. The simple past is saw, and the past participle is seen. You could say, I saw a great movie last week, and I have seen that movie before. Let's not forget about eat. The simple past is ate, and the past participle is eaten. You might say, I ate breakfast early today, and I have eaten at that restaurant several times. Irregular verbs can also have the same form for both the simple past and past participle. Take put, for instance. It remains put in both cases. You could say, I put the keys on the table, and I have put them there before. To sum it up, regular verbs are straightforward, following a clear pattern by adding d, while irregular verbs can surprise you with their unique forms. Mastering these will significantly enhance your English skills, making your communication clearer and more effective. So keep practicing, and soon you'll be a pro at identifying and using both regular and irregular verbs.